They are the pictures that can only be taken from the air. Most of them are taken by drone, and many of them will simply take your breath away. A judge from the 2023 Drone Photo Awards is joining us now from Paris. She is the head of the photography for National Geographic France. Emanuela Ascoli, thank you so much for joining us. A very good morning. What makes drone photography so unique? Is it perspective? Is it the scale?
It's just a new way of seeing things, a new perspective, really different from the things we were used to see before. So it changed by the human point of view in a more kind of bird point of view. So it's stunning, striking, just amazing.
Yeah, that's a great description, a bird's view. Now, before you talk us through some of the amazing photos of this year, what goes into picking the winning photograph? What were your criteria?
Well, a compelling picture should inspire you some empathy, emotion, wonder, or even worry sometimes. It can you have really to tell you a story. So stop a moment, catch the perfect moment, and well, catch also your attention to some stories that really need to be told.
All right, let's go to one of these very powerful photographs with a unique perspective. This one that we're going to pull up now is that of people enjoying a Ramadan meal among the ruins there. What can you tell us about the story behind this picture?
Well, this picture, it's really amazing because it really inspired you some empathy because these people were just like in the middle of well, country completely destroyed. But even though they really needed to go ahead and bring some hope. So it's really the most important things of this picture that really inspire you empathy and compassion and hope. So it's kind of different from the images we see like normally about the war. It's really try to give them hope. That's the most important.
At their darkest moment, sharing a meal at a very important time. Now there are two other pictures that really took our breath away, and one is called The Breach, and the other one is called Amigos. Very, very moving. What can you tell us about that?
Well, as I told you, the criteria was really to be able to catch the moment. So the breach, it's really this. The photographer told us that it tried so many times to catch whale's breach, but that time it could really catch the perfect moment of the whale jumping into the water. And with the drone point of view, you could really see all the waves around, and it's something unusual. And the photographer itself told us that it well one day, well, one life shot, actually, sorry.
Wow, yeah. Now the winning photo, let's talk about that. I mean, talk to us about the winning photo in terms of why did you pick that particular photo? Why, I mean, you had so many photos with a powerful impact. What makes this one stand out among all the other equally powerful photos?
Because it's really also stop a moment in a news moment. So all these people gathering in Israel to fight for democracy, it was really impactful. And also this time, it was kind of another point of view, because normally when you see a picture of demonstration, it's in a human point of view, and there you had really the whole view, the whole scene with a wider angle, with all also the banner, and it was really strong. So all the Jews were really impressive by this, and we meant that it was a story that need to be told, and perhaps with a picture and with an image, it's more easy to communicate and take the message.
And just very briefly, in a few words, I mean, there's this one other picture that we also really liked and thought was very striking, that of football fans packed in Bangladesh. I don't know if we can just pull that up very quickly. What are we seeing here?
Well, this is also another way to transmit some joy because we also need some to inspire some joy and happiness. And the really great things of this picture that it take us in a more abstract way. So just like point the colors and all the picture gathering there. So it tells the story of a really historical moment in another way. So different way.
So these are basically football fans. They're packed in a stadium and they're watching a big screen of the World Cup.
Absolutely.
Amazing. Thank you so very
Argentina
much.
against Poland, yeah.
Exactly, in the World Cup in Qatar. Emanuela Ascoli, thank you so much. Those were beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you too.